In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync a Timetree calendar with your operating system calendar using Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and go to the Timetree website. Once the page loads, sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Make sure you are using the web version of Timetree since this process needs to be done from the browser rather than the mobile app. After you are inside Timetree, take a moment to locate the calendar list and select the specific calendar you want to share. This is important if you manage multiple calendars, such as one for personal events and another for work or family planning. Clicking the correct calendar first ensures that the sync settings you open will apply to the one you actually want connected to your operating system calendar. Once the right calendar is open, look for the Settings option. Open Settings and then find the section labeled Us Sync with OS Calendar. Click that option to continue. This is the area that allows Timetree to connect your selected calendar with your computer's built-in calendar system, making it easier to view your events outside of the Timetree website. When you open the Sync section, carefully review any prompts or instructions shown on screen. Depending on your setup, you may see information about how the calendar can be added to your operating system calendar app. Follow the on-screen guidance exactly as presented. If your browser asks for permission to open another application or to proceed with a calendar subscription, allow it only if you recognize that it is part of the Timetree sync process. It is also a good idea to confirm that you selected the correct calendar before finishing. If the wrong one is chosen, you may end up syncing events you did not intend to include. Taking a few extra seconds here can help you avoid confusion later. After the sync is enabled, give your operating system calendar a little time to update. In some cases, events appear right away, while in others, it may take a short moment for everything